tomorrow is the launch day for my next book coming out. It's called Little Seasons, Spring Seeds. And today I thought I would show you a little bit what the book looks like on the inside. Our front end pages have all the seeds, and a little surprise, once you get to the back end pages, you have all the seeds in the same spots, but showing how they turn into what plants or fruit they grow into. This book also comes with a tear out, removable kind of a memory game. And the fun part is that the whole series, all the memory game backs have the same. So the next book in the series will also have similar cards in it if you want to expand the pack. And so here we go. Winter is a quiet time in the backyard. Seeds on the grounds are peacefully sleeping, waiting for spring. Oh, I haven't slept a wink all winter. Give me my leaf back. When spring arrives, the weather warms and we get more sun. It's the perfect time for seeds to wake up. A garden or your backyard is a great place to watch seeds grow. Rise and shine, nap time's over. Oh, I just fell asleep. You can plant many kinds of seeds in the garden. Chew! Oh, look at these little guys. Allergies. Some are so tiny you could easily lose them. Where did they go? And some are as big as your fist. Show off. When you plant seeds in your garden and give them water, they start to grow roots. Roots are like straws that seeds use to take in food and water. Muck gravel chip is my favorite. Mudslide. I've got bunny tracks. When seeds eat enough, they start to grow shoots that sprout into leaves. The leaves soak up energy from the sun, making the plants healthy and green. Look at those sprouts. Uh-oh. What is this guy? Is he trying to cheat over here? Different seeds grow into different plants, which produce different fruits and vegetables. We got peaches and broccoli with his little seeds, and beans, peas, carrots. Nice job, Sprout. Avocados and apples. When plants grow up, they can make seeds of their own. You can find seeds on the outside or on the inside, and some plants have flowers that make lots of seeds. And so then we talk a little bit about how the seeds grow and where they grow, above ground or on the ground or up in the air. And then we talk about how important seeds are because they grow into healthy fruits and vegetables. What's your favorite color? But sometimes you eat seeds instead of planting them. What? You've got to be kidding me. Whether you plant them or eat them, seeds are really important. Thanks, seeds. You're welcome. See you later. And then we have all kinds of interesting back matter for kids to look at. So we talk about the life cycle of seeds, what seeds need to grow, the different parts of the seed. And then we have our little seed growing activity, different activities to do outdoors with the kids. We have a taste test. And all kinds of math activities and art activities, and then we get to the end of the book. And not only do we have the book and the activities in the back, but we also have a lot of pages that I created as extras so that you can go onto my website and print these. So we have a little taste test sheet. There's 2 pages that you can have your kid try all these different things, and then they can mark on the scale which one they like the best, and then you can identify the favorite and the worst of your taste test flavors. There's mazes, coloring pages, there's cut and paste seed life cycle sheet, a plant growth chart to go with the plant growing activity in the book, little fill out and coloring page for the kids. There's a writing prompt and a drawing page, and then also a little math drawing, kind of an application sheet for kids to do. And so all these and a few other ones are available on my website, and I hope you head there and go check them out with my new book coming out. Thanks so much. Bye.